Hello everyone, today I would like to talk to you about one of the most fascinating and complex structures in the universe. The Milky Way galaxy. First, let's talk about what the Milky Way galaxy is and where it is located. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy that contains over 100 billion stars, as well as gas, dust, and dark matter. It is located approximately 25,000 light-years from the center of the universe, in the local group of galaxies, which also contains the Andromeda Galaxy. The local group is made up of over 30 galaxies, which form part of the Virgo supercluster, which is itself a component of the Ionia Chaos supercluster. It is estimated to have formed approximately 13.5 billion years ago, and is the galaxy that we call home. Now, let's take a moment to imagine the vastness of the Milky Way. Imagine, if we could travel at the speed of light, it would still take us 100,000 years to cross the Milky Way from one end to the other. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what you were looking at? Well, when you look up at the stars, you're looking at the stars in our own galaxy, the Milky Way. When you look at the Milky Way, you're actually seeing the light from millions of stars that is so far away that will appear to us as a single hazy band of light. The galaxy is divided into several components, including the central bar disk, a massive halo, a nucleus, central bulge, and spiral arms. Some of these components blend into each other. The central bar disk is a dense region of stars, where the majority of stars, gas, and dust are located. The halo is a sphere-like region that surrounds the disk and contains older, cooler stars, as well as dark matter. One of the most well-known features of Milky Way is its spiral arms, which are the regions of increased star formation and density. It has two major arms, Scutum Centaurus and Perseus, that can be seen attached to the ends of a thick central bar. While there are two minor arms, Norma and Sagittarius, that are less distinct and located between the major arms. The center of the Milky Way contains a supermassive black hole, just thought to be over 4 million times the mass of the Sun. It is known as Sagittarius A. It is thought to be the engine that powers the Milky Way and helps to keep it stable. Our solar system is located about 26,000 light-years from the center of the Milky Way. Now, let's dive into some interesting facts about Milky Way. The Milky Way is estimated to contain around 100 billion exoplanets or planets outside of our solar system. It contains a number of interesting objects and phenomena, such as star clusters, nebulae, and supernova remnants. Some of the most famous of these include the Orion Nebula, the Crab Nebula, and the Pleiades star cluster. Another fascinating aspect of the Milky Way is the fact that it is constantly changing and evolving. It is thought to have merged with smaller galaxies in the past, and is currently in the process of merging with the nearby dwarf galaxies, the Large Magellanic Cloud, and the Small Magellanic Cloud. These are irregular dwarf galaxies that are gravitationally bound to Milky Way and are distorted by its gravity. Astronomers think that the Milky Way is in the process of digesting both the galaxies. One of the most interesting facts about Milky Way is that it zips along a galactic orbit at an average speed of about 514,000 miles per hour, and it takes about 230 million years for our solar system to make one revolution around the galactic center. The Milky Way is just one of an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. And our own galaxy is just a tiny speck in the vast expanse of the universe. Another amazing fact about this magnificent structure is that Milky Way as a whole is moving at a velocity of approximately 600 kilometers per second, with respect to extragalactic frames of reference. It is moving in the direction of constellation Virgo. So, what does the future hold for the Milky Way? Scientists believe that it will eventually collide with the Andromeda Galaxy, which is located 2.5 million light-years away, in around 4 billion years. This collision is expected to be very violent, and would likely result in the formation of a new larger galaxy. In conclusion, the Milky Way galaxy is a fascinating, dynamic, and incredibly vast and complex system that continues to captivate astronomers and the general public alike. Despite our extensive knowledge of the galaxy, there's still much that we have yet to learn and discover about this magnificent structure. From the millions of stars and black holes to the never-ending cycle of birth and death, the Milky Way is truly a wonder of the universe. I hope that today's discussion has inspired you to look up at the night sky with a new sense of wonder and appreciation for the vastness of the universe. Thank you for your time. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like the video.